Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Hulu corrupted data on PS5. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to fix your corrupted data on Hulu PS5, as you can see, this is a screenshot of a Reddit post because there are no current available options to fix the corrupted data on PS5. So in order to fix the corrupted data on PS5, what you need to do is, as you can see right here, go to home screen, then highlight Hulu, and once you're there, press options, and under options there will be upload, and once you tap on upload, there you will be seeing options saying download save data, and once you're there, download from a cloud save. Now my cloud save was from January, but I did download from cloud save, and once you do that, that should probably fix the issue. And that's basically the available option that you can do in order to fix the corrupted data on PS5. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.